There's other ways to think about what is going on in the future. Where are these careers coming from? What are the big changes that are driving our society? One is the growth of urban cities. By 2050, 70% of the world's population will be living in cities. Africa is industrializing and urbanizing so fast. By 2030, it is going to cease to be a rural continent. You know one thing that is going on that's absolutely fascinating? Rapid growth in urban farming. You know, already there are 800 million city farmers who are out there actively urban farming. It's 25% of the population of Burkina Faso, 63% in Kenya, 68% in Tanzania. 90% of the fresh vegetables in Accra, Ghana, come from urban farms. And so you know what we're talking about in the world of agriculture? We are talking about vertical farming infrastructure. If we're going to have half or more of the world's population living in cities, to satisfy the demand for food, we're going to have to build up. And people are doing this. We get year-round crop production. 1 indoor acre is equivalent to 4 outdoor acres. We get no weather-related crop problems. We virtually eliminate rainwater waste, and we can put energy back into the grid. And so where are these careers coming from? We're getting a lot of wacky new careers. We are going to see the emergence of vertical farming infrastructure managers. 10 years, that's going to be a phrase that will be as common as nails. I'm out there talking at conferences about robotic pharmaceutical therapy monitors who are utilizing a lot of very sophisticated technology to ensure that we're providing proper care for our elderly. I'm out there talking about water footprint analysts because we're going to have a lot of technology by which we can intimately audit usage of water in states like California. Drone helicopter insurance risk managers in the field of agriculture. You know, there is actually a profession of people out there today known as manure managers because there is so much going on with the science of manure. They even have their own magazine, Manure Management Magazine. They have their own annual conference in which they get together and talk about nothing but manure. We are rapidly witnessing the emergence of new careers, and it's happening all around us. And how do you ensure you can support them, you can educate them, you can move this country forward as change happens faster?